Hello, and hope you're all having a good day. I wanted to redeem myself with a pellet burner on the Uuni Pro after what happened last time. My chimney is open this time. I've put the pellets in now for 10 minutes. They're coming on nicely. I just topped them up and just show you quickly in here. It's a nice flame, all warming up very well. The oven's now at about 275, 525 in Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to leave that for another 10 minutes, keep checking that it's topped up. And I'm going to cook with the Uuni Pro for the first time with a pellet burner with the chimney open. After 10 minutes it's got a bit hotter in there. Need to add more. Oh yeah, I've got to add more pellets. Got stuck to my hand. Put it to there. Hopefully I've caught it in time. Yeah, flame going on in there now. Let me just show. There you are, perfect. Just get my dough ready. I'm not making a pizza, I'm making something else, so I'll just get my dough. I haven't really shaped it into a pizza shape. I've got some olive oil with balsamic vinegar. I always like to give things a go. I've always poured the balsamic vinegar on afterwards, not before the cook. So I just wanted to see what this would be like. So it's a mixture, so balsamic vinaigrette I've covered the dough with there, and I'm putting some freshly chopped tomatoes on. Sprinkle of salt. I'm going to put this in the Uuni Pro. I just put those in 5 minutes ago and they've gone, so I just need to do another top up before I... Okay, that's one thing I've noticed already between the Uuni 3 and the Uuni Pro is that the pellets burn up quicker. Need to check now on the temperature of the oven. The air temperature is 450, so I'm going to check the stone temperature now. Okay, so get this door off. Ooh, there's a nice flame going on there. Let's see, get it in the right place. Let's put it in. Oh dear, did I not put enough flour on that peel? My peel. I'd say that dough wasn't the best dough I've ever used. I think it's going to give me problems. Actually, I need to change the door. The other door on. Just see. checking that flame in there. Whether it'll, I need to push it further back, I think. I know now why these pizza ovens need a longer metal peel. Oh, it's very windy today. Don't need any fans for the back of the oven to keep the air circulating. Since I put this pizza door on with the hole in, the flames are going at the back, not the front. Oh my gosh, and I can't. I don't know whether to put the other door on, because this door, the flames are just shooting up the back. I'm not quite sure if that's supposed to happen. I don't know if it's because it's windy. Let me change the doors and see if the flames come forward. I definitely need to get a longer handled peel. I'm really struggling with this smaller peel in this oven. Okay. I'm not gonna cook it anymore because the base is going to actually cremate. So let's see what this looks like. I've just cut up some basil to garnish, and I'm sprinkling a bit more of the fresh balsamic dressing on here. Very crunchy. It looks very nice. Cut it. I just want to compare this to the Uuni 3. I didn't know how long it would take to warm up with the pellets, because the Uuni 3 is a lot smaller than this oven, and I'm just going to try that bit. And so I thought this would cook in, I thought the oven would take 40 minutes to warm up. It didn't, it took about 20 to 25 minutes to warm up. So it's taken the same time to warm the Uuni Pro up as it has with the Uuni 3. The only difference is that the Uuni Pro needed more pellets. So I had to be more aware of filling that up at the back. So it went through pellets quicker to warm up the oven, but the flame was quite significant in there. I was really impressed actually. The pellet, yeah, it heated the stone up to 500 degrees centigrade in no time at all. In fact, to show you how hot that stone got to in just 20 minutes. So there's no doubt about it that the pellet burner does cook pizza very quickly. It's the same time, which has surprised me because the oven is much bigger, but there must be a better heat retention in there, I'm not sure. But I didn't expect the burner, which is the same size as the one on the Uuni 3, to do that, so I'm pleasantly surprised. So I gave it a go with this type of thin pizza. I wasn't sure what was going to happen. Something I've also learned today, I'm just going to take a bite of this. Very crunchy. The pizza door did not work very well in bringing the flames forward for me today. I don't know whether it's because of the wind blowing. I found that the pizza door was just pulling the flames backwards, whereas when I put the oven door with the glass on, the flames came to the front and it cooked better on the top. So I'm gonna try that again because that was interesting. I think that would have an impact, but maybe it was the way the wind was blowing that caused that to happen. So yeah, this is my first cook with the pellets in the Uuni Pro with the chimney lid open this time. I'm pleasantly surprised by the heat and how quickly it got, how fast it warmed up. Definitely the same time as the Uuni 3. And yeah, the fierceness of the flame as well inside the oven surprised me, because it's a little burner at the back. I didn't think it would have that, you know, that strength to do that, but it did. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I'm going to be making some pizzas with it very soon now. Now I know that it can really heat it up quickly. Yeah, so this is very tasty. It's very crunchy, and yeah, I like the balsamic vinaigrette on here. No cheese. It's just a normal pizza dough with the ingredients that I've put on it. So I don't know what you call it. There's no cheese on it. If you don't eat cheese or you don't like cheese, this is a nice alternative to cheesy pizza. Very nice.